Hello everyone and welcome to the another new Stock Watch episode series। आज इस नए एपिसोड के अंदर हम और एक स्टॉक के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, डिटेल में चेक करेंगे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के थ्रू कि कौन से ऐसे सिग्नल्स थे जो हमको देखने चाहिए और जिसके वजह से हमने इस स्टॉक को आइडेंटिफाई किया। सो कौन सा वो स्टॉक है वो अगर जानना है तो मेक श्योर ये वीडियो आप एंड तक देखिए। मेरा नाम है यज्ञेश पटेल एंड आई होप आप सब बहुत ही बढ़िया है। काफ़ी टाइम बाद आप सबको इस तरीके से मिल रहा हूँ। इन बिटवीन में काफ़ी टाइम बीच में इनएक्टिव था, वीडियोस नहीं पोस्ट कर रहा था। आई एम वर्किंग इन एक वन प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ पे मैं काफ़ी टाइम से बिज़ी रह रहा हूँ, बट फिर से मैंने अभी स्टार्ट कर दिया है रेगुलर बेसिस पे स्टॉक वॉच सीरीज़ को अपलोड करना। और मेरे को काफ़ी प्यार मिला है आपके एंड से स्टॉक वॉच सीरीज़ में, और उसको देखते मुझे भी काफ़ी उत्साह आ रहा है और काफ़ी मैं मोटिवेट फील कर रहा हूँ कि आने वाला टाइम में मैं और भी ऐसा एनालिसिस के वीडियो अपलोड करता रहूँगा जो आपको हेल्प करे एनालिसिस सीखने में और जिसकी वजह से आप खुद भी चार्ट को एनालिसिस कर पाओ। ठीक है, सो बैक टू द टुडेस टॉपिक कि आज जो हमने स्टॉक सिलेक्ट किया है वो है MRPL। जी दोस्तों, ये स्टॉक में एक अच्छे से सिग्नल्स देखने को मिले, काफ़ी अच्छा मोमेंटम देखने को मिल रहा है लास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज से, और हमने उसी को एक शॉर्टलिस्ट किया और पूरा एनालिसिस डिटेल में अभी करेंगे हम, और देखेंगे कि ऐसे कौन से सिग्नल्स है जिसको हमको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए एज अ बुलिश स्टॉक। और एज़ यूजुअल हम मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस करेंगे और देखेंगे कि इसके अंदर क्या ऐसे सिग्नल्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं। ठीक, उससे पहले हम बात करेंगे प्रीवियस जो स्टॉक था हमारा UPL, जो कि एक हमने लास्ट वीक के अंदर अपलोड किया था, उसके बारे में एनालिसिस। और UPL में हमको अनलकीली एक बड़ा बैड न्यूज़ देखने को मिला उसके अंदर, और स्टॉक नीचे गैप डाउन हुआ और फिर स्टॉप लॉस एरिया को हिट नहीं किया, और जो उसने बाद में जो रिकवरी दिखाई नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 डेज़ में, अमेजिंग। और उसने अपने टारगेट लेवल्स के भी नज़दीक एक आते हुए दिखा, ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 7 पॉइंट से टारगेट रह गया। दैट्स ओके, वो पार्ट होता है, क्योंकि एग्जैक्ट जो हम सोचते हैं वो टारगेट कभी काफ़ी बार नहीं आते, बट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि जो व्यू हमने बिल्ड किया था विथ एनालिसिस वो उस फेवर में स्टॉक मूवमेंट हुआ। उसके पहले हमने VBL वरुण बेवरेजेस लिमिटेड हमने अपलोड किया था, उसमें भी काफ़ी अच्छा मोमेंटम देखने को मिला और उसके भी टारगेट अचीव होते हुए दिखे। और आई होप आपने वो एनालिसिस एंजॉय किया होगा, आपने उसमें से कुछ सीखा होगा। स्पेशली UPL के केस में हमने डिलीवरी बेस पे काफ़ी डिटेल में एनालिसिस किया था। सो डिलीवरी में वॉल्यूम एनालिसिस में डिलीवरी पार्ट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, तो उसका मैंने एक ग्लिम्स वहाँ पर रखा था। इसको और एडवांस वे में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो इस बार भी हम देखेंगे कि जो MRPL का स्टॉक है उसमें हम उसको कैसे यूज़ कर पाए, फिट होता है या नहीं होता। काफ़ी लोग यही दिक्कत में रहते हैं कि जो सीखा है हमने उसको सबको अप्लाई करें क्या, वो सारे लॉजिक्स को। सो कौन सा लॉजिक कहाँ अप्लाई होता है वो देखना चाहिए। ज़रूरी नहीं है ज़बरदस्ती कोई लॉजिक को वहाँ पे आप अप्लाई करो। तो ये एक नगेट है आपके लिए सीखने के लिए, इंपॉर्टेंट नगेट्स रहेगा। तो ज़्यादा टाइम न लेते हुए चलिए स्क्रीन के ऊपर। हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द स्क्रीन। दिस इज द डेली चार्ट ऑफ MRPL and you can see this daily time frame and spot price chart, and there are certain signals which we have identified in this stock, and that is the reason we have chosen this stock as a bullish stock. So let's discuss one by one. First, by looking at the daily time frame, the slope of the moving average is clearly uptrended. The stock price taken support near the moving average and again resuming the strength. Okay, so we will study step by step all the parameters and the multi time frame, our favorite. So let's start with the higher time frame, with the monthly time frame. And on the monthly time frame, we have seen from the November 17th, it has a big downtrend, and on all long term downtrend we have seen this is a one candle denoted 1 month, and on a long term we have seen a lower top lower bottom formation. After this bottom at March 2020, it has formed another bottom in October 2020, which is slightly higher. Okay, let me show you how. Let me convert it to line chart. So here it is. This bottom is lower side compared to this. So basically the last bottom here is slightly upper side compared to this one. So trend has been changed. Okay, and it has also crossed this high, which means long-term trend has been changed here. So that is the very powerful signal. the long term trend has been changed. So that's the reason, one of the reason on a higher time frame it is showing some kind of trend reversal. Also looking at this good candlesticks here, the big candles, big body candles with good volumes, that's again good sign. This is not a good, but that's okay, volumes are good, but price is not damaged declining. That is we call it accumulation volumes. Again price is showing in February month big body with good volumes. So overall, and in a trend chain we can simply say there is a creation of volume, good volume has been created here. Compared to the last 1.5 year, volume has been created good at the bottom. Then we have seen trend reversal. Candlesticks are showing good bullish candles, big body candles. RSI is taking support at 40. That is again showing good momentum. There is a territory of no more territory of bears now. Okay, so that's the good sign. And also the stock is near to the important area of support. So near support zone, trend is reversing, volumes are increasing, RSI is showing good momentum, and also big body candles appears with white color, the bullish candles. So that's a good sign. So this is a very powerful signal on a monthly time frame. Let me convert to the weekly one. And you can see this is a weekly time frame. The moving average slope is clearly down. Stock is even didn't touch the average here, and it's going down and down and down. Let me hide it. Okay. And then we have seen this is a retesting here, and price has been rejected again, and this is a kind of bottom which is higher side compared to this one, and finally it has crossed this moving average. So that's a good sign. In last 2 years, from since 2018 to 2021, it's almost 3 years now, stock did not cross the moving average, even did not touch the moving average, and now it has showing a good crossing the moving average. That's a good amazing sign. And then after crossing, it is showing a good strength again, showing a CIP, change in polarity. That's again good sign on a weekly time frame. So trend reversal with moving average also. And let me show you here the weekly RSI is above 60, which is extremely bullish momentum on a higher time frame. On a monthly, it is showing a trend reversal, and on a weekly time frame, medium time frame, it's showing high side momentum, bullish momentum. So that's a very good sign. And also sustaining above this moving average, which was never crossed in last 3 years. Let me show you the volume activity. Here at this bottom, if we can simply check the price from this low to made here a good high here, okay, and so it ultimately the price from the last 1 year it's showing going upside. Ultimately net is going upside because it is for moving in a zigzag format, but ultimately showing here. And if I can check from volumes activities are also very high. So these two indication, the price is going up and volumes are increasing, suggesting a bullish momentum is going on in this counter. Somebody is trying to accumulate this counter. Very simply, we can take a signal from this analysis. Also, the bullish momentum RSI is above 60, which is a great sign. Okay, and one more thing here. Let me show you. The stock is also showing a trend line breakout here. So this trend is also gets over because of this trend line breakout, change in polarity, and also it's sustaining over the moving average with higher volumes. So these are the few indicators just itself enough to shortlist this stock. Yes, I hope you are getting new insight of analysis by looking at these angles which I'm showing you right now. Let me now convert to the daily time frame. And in a daily time frame, with the stock, the moving average which was downside, now it's showing some flat momentum. But since last couple of months, it is showing a good uptrended slope in the moving average. And now it is taking support near to the moving average. If I can simply take this is a very nice breakout also here with trend line. And let me check the volume analysis also. So here in this uptrend, we can simply say this is a very good volume, which is never seen here. But right now we can able to see somebody is trying to accumulate this it simply sends. RSI is above 60, big body candles, white candles, and increasing volume suggesting a bullish hands are accumulating this counter. Yes, you can simply say this is a good momentum, and the volumes are also increasing here. So that's a very nice sign. Let me show you something very different. Okay, let's take the volume deliverable data, which you also analyzed, and this is a very new insight for most of you. So let me take, this is the NSE site, and I have taken MRPL from 1st of February to the last date 26, last trading session 26th February. Okay, so here it is. So this is a total traded quantity, and this is a delivery taken on that day, particular day. Okay, so let me check the highest one where it is. So it is showing here 30 lakhs quantity has been taken as a delivery out of 1 crore 22 2 lakhs 21,000. So 1.22 lakhs was the 1.22 crore was the volume total, and delivery taken was 30 lakhs, which is highest in this February month from 1st of February. So let me check what is the date, 17th February. Let me go back to the chart and we'll check the 17th February. This is the candle, bullish candle, higher volume, and highest delivery was taken here. Okay, so that's a very good sign. On the support zone, see, this is a uptrended move, some kind of profit booking, declining, a retracement we call it, and again trend is resuming with higher volumes and highest delivery also. So let me check after that. It is 17 lakh, and there was a normal here 8 lakhs, 3 lakh, 8 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, and 15 lakhs, and also again 32 lakhs, which is also crossing this portion. This digit is also crossed here. 32 lakhs was the delivery taken out of 1.01 crore. 1 crore and 1 lakh was the total traded quantity, total traded volume, and quantity taken delivery as 32 lakhs, which is highest from this point. What's the date? 26th of February. Let me go back to the here. So this is the highest delivery taken. Also, second highest was here. The first highest was somewhere here on side. So actually, in this last few months, last 1 month data suggesting some higher ends are accumulating this counter very heavily. Yes, by looking at this volume also, we clearly see this is a accumulation volume. So now let me discuss a very important nugget now. Let's mark the level first. Stock is near to this is the price here, 42.50. The price has been started declining, again retesting this level, and now again back to the same level. So this is a good resistance zone for 42.50. Once it crosses and closing above this level, we can see a very vast and very fast momentum may appear in this counter by looking at the certain parameters like trend, like strength, like volume, deliverable volume, the momentum. Everything is suggesting a very good signals in this counter. Okay, let me show you now good levels also, where to mark profit, where to keep stop loss, where to enter, and which level of target. Before that, there is a disclaimer: this is not a buy and sell recommendation. Do consult your financial advisor before taking any decision. This is just for the educational purpose. So 4250 is our resistance zone, but by looking at this momentum activity and the delivery part, we expecting price will break this level very soon, because it has already tested one time here, and this is the second time here. So might possible some kind of accumulation, some kind of sideways possible, but after that the breakout chances probability is very high. Okay, so stock is trading around 40.30 right now, and even last day was a Black Friday and market was heavily down by 3 to 5%, Nifty and Bank Nifty, but this stock showing a 6% move in intraday, so suggesting itself. But if we can relatively we can check the relative strength, then this is have very heavy strength, because in falling market is showing good momentum, and highest delivery was taken on that day. So you can enter in any of this area between 42.50 to between 39 or 40. This 3 point is a good area to accumulate, and keep the stop loss near to this swing low around 36. 36 is the stop loss, below 36 on the closing basis, and right now it is trading at 40.35 is the area of entry, and in between 42 or 40 will be a good area to enter. And if you can take the target for this counter is the first resistance after this 4250 around somewhere here 48, and the next resistance is around 56. This is the area. Okay, and I can also take simple retracement of the Fibonacci level from this point to this point, which is also somewhere here 49. So we can take a 50 as a round number also. 50 is a next area of target for this counter, 5050. Let me mark the level here in this counter and keep the stop loss at 36. Below 36 closing is our stop loss in this counter. Okay, so this is the whole analysis about MRPL, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's meet on outer video. आप सबने पूरा वीडियो देख लिया होगा एंड आई होप आपने काफ़ी एंजॉय किया होगा, स्पेशली द डिलीवरेबल वॉल्यूम का जो एनालिसिस हमने देखा लास्ट टाइम यूपीएल में भी देखा था। उसकी वजह से हमको एक स्ट्रेंथ मिलता है हमारे एनालिसिस में, और जब भी कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड मूव होता है फिर भी हम हमारे लेवल्स के साथ टिके रहते हैं विथ रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। इस बार भी हमने एक वही यूनिक वे में ट्राई किया है इसको भी एनालिसिस करने का, और स्पेशली जैसे मैंने बताया वीडियो के अंदर कि मार्केट जब काफ़ी डाउन मूव में था, ब्लैक फ्राइडे जिसको बोला था हमने कल जो प्रीवियसली हमारे ट्रेडिंग सेशन में, वैसे मार्केट के अंदर वो 6% का अप मूव दिखा रहा है इंट्राडे में, विच मीन्स के स्टॉक में अभी भी स्ट्रेंथ है। आने वाले कुछ टाइम में शायद साइडवेज हो सकता है, जैसे अभी मैंने एनालिसिस में आपको दिखाया, बट इंपॉर्टेंट जो लेवल्स मैंने आपको बताया है वो ध्यान में रखिए, उसको ट्राई करिए उस एरिया में एक्यूमुलेट करने का। और वेरी डिफरेंटली जो हम हर एनालिसिस वीडियो में देखते हैं, मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम जो हम देखते हैं, जैसे कि मंथली, वीकली और डेली में जो मोमेंटम हम चेक करते हैं, जो हम अलग अलग पैरामीटर्स जो चेक करते हैं, वैसे हमने इसमें भी किया। और आई होप वो एक नया वे हो सकता है शायद बहुत लोगों के लिए आप में से, और आप भी वैसा कुछ स्टार्ट कर पाओ। तो शुरू में आप 2 टाइम फ्रेम को लेकर उसका एनालिसिस को कंबाइन कीजिए, धीरे धीरे करके आप 3 टाइम फ्रेम में भी आ सकते हो, या फिर आप एक ही टाइम फ्रेम में चेक करोगे फिर भी चलेगा। बट देखिए उसका जो स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैंने इसमें दिखाया है, वो कोशिश कीजिए कि उसको आप फॉलो कर पाओ प्रॉपरली, ठीक है। सो आई होप आपने इस वीडियो में से काफ़ी नए इंसाइट सीखे होंगे, और मुझे आशा रखता हूँ कि आपके नॉलेज के अंदर कुछ नया वैल्यू एडिशन मेरे एंड से हुआ होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक में कोई एक नए स्टॉक वॉच एपिसोड में। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, गुड बाय।